All right, so here we are at Google Chrome, and the best way to navigate Google Chrome, some people click within the window in order to switch their profiles, but this is not the best way. What I would recommend you doing is going right up here directly onto the menu bar at the top here and then adding a profile. So if you have your personal account and then your work account, don't switch within the window because that will then connect your profiles to whatever profile you have here. What I would recommend you doing is clicking here, clicking on add an account. What I'm going to do right now is just type in the number 1. I'm going to add the account, and then here is where I will log in with the separate account that I want to add. And doing it this way will allow me to keep the profiles separate. So I'm going to accept. When I log in, it's going to ask me to link my data. Now, this is not linking one account to another. This is simply linking the information where uh, this is simply linking the information for where I am logging in from on the different devices. So I can access whatever I have logged in from on this computer on a separate computer. Any extensions or add ons that I've added here will also be available when I log in with this same account on a different computer. So that way, all of the computers are just like my own. I want to select yes. I'm going to turn on my sync. So, yes, I'm in for that. And here we are. Now I am syncing across the different devices. I'm going to click here because I have this yellow balloon with the exclamation point. And that just means, if you ever see that, that just means that there are some permissions that have been updated on a specific app, or sometimes this will also mean that your version of Google Chrome needs to be updated. So I'm just going to click there. I like the Adobe Acrobat extension. So I'm going to go ahead and enable it to accept those updated permissions and then just close out of that because it's just giving me some information about the app, which I am already familiar with. That is how we log into Google Chrome and keep our profiles and accounts separate.